I said, I wanted to hear him say it again. I said, what? To get some milk and cookies. I said, you little bitch, it's too goddamn late for the motherfucking milk and cookies. Faggot, go on back upstairs. Switch your punk ass back upstairs. You go, yeah, you smack all you want, motherfucker. Put my foot in your ass. That's how I talk to him. He gonna go upstairs in the room, the two of you are gonna say, where the cookies and shit, you know. He gonna tell her, him downstairs. Who the fuck is him? Like I ain't got no name and shit, you know what I mean? She gonna tell him, I gonna get this shit myself. She gonna come downstairs, old bow-legged motherfucker, short motherfucker bow-leg coming down there, looking like a raccoon and shit, you know what I mean? I start to shoot that motherfucker, you know? She gonna open the refrigerator, get a little ladder. I said, what you getting ready to do? Get some milk and cookies. I said, didn't I tell your motherfucking boy you couldn't have no goddamn milk and cookies? No, it's too goddamn late.